Welcome to a tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make the first person character template look more like default, or just like how to remove the gun and stuff. I'll be quick. First off, open up the blueprint. Second off, if you're gonna get rid of the gun, delete all of this. Get rid of this as well, and then you'll get left with this. You could clean this up by just removing this part to make it just movement input. Move jump a little. And this is a nice clean version. Go back to viewport, delete the arms, delete that, delete that, delete those, until you have just the arrow in this. And on the left here, delete these two since you're not going to use them. Oh yeah, go to construction script, and then delete that, then compile, save. And if you click play, you should have, just like this default crosshair and stuff. Nothing. Yeah. Okay. Delete first person projectile, since there's nothing for it. Keep the HUD. You could delete this if you want. Everything in first person besides crosshair, you can drag this to first person BP, move here. And then once you do that, just delete all the first person files. Geometry, unless you want to keep all of this, just delete it. Then on the right, delete all the editor cubes and arena stuff. All right. Once you do that, delete the template level stuff. You can delete the sky sphere if you want, but I'd recommend keeping it. Create a plane. Go to details. You could resize it and stuff, like 10, 10, 10. Just put that at 0, 0, 0. And then click play. And you just have a little template level here. I don't know if this would help anyone, since a lot of people already know how to do this, but it's good to put it out. See ya.